Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and remove your credit or debit card from your Crypto.com application. So if you have already bought or deposited fiat with your credit or debit card and you want to go ahead and remove it, first of all just go ahead and click on, for example, buy, choose any coin you want. And as you can see, there is now cash option. So you want to go ahead and you will see basically here your card, as I see my Apple Pay here. So what you will need to do is just click on that method basically and just delete it. You will be able to swipe to the left, I believe, and you will be able to delete it. But just make sure that you have some other payment method in order to delete the other one. So for example, Apple Pay can be left out here and you just delete your credit or debit card. So that's basically it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a like on this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.